kaunti ya Kiambu Uria oikaine ta ndagitari James Nyoro niarikitie gutongoria gikundi kia atongoria gicigo-ini kiu niguo gutwarithia nambere kambeni ya gutigirira ati kaunti ya Kiambu ni aturanio kumanagia na wingi wayo na gucoka kurekererio ginyanagia etuo kaunti ingi ithatu na iri kumanagia na kaunti ino. Kaunti ya Kiambu yoikaine na njira nene kumanagia na utonga wayo na ningi wingi wayo. Governor James Nyoro akiuga ati wona ya aturanio kana yahukanio ni gutithiriria unyabari mwega na ningi ikigina gutigirirwo ati ni giakorwo ikihuthika na njira iria yagiriire.
Ore wari gavana wa Kiambu James Nyoro atongoretie gikundi gia atongoria kuu kaunti ya Kiambu ni aratariria uria kaunti iyo icagagira hari kigina kia bururi.
Largest contributor to the country's GDP, that does not commensurate with the amount of money that we receive. As an outgoing governor, I can tell you that the shared revenue that we receive can hardly actually provide any service to Kiambu.
Ona thaigia wa kaunti ya gucagira na njira nene hari kigina gia bururi, kigina kiria mamukagira matingihota kuheana motungata kuri aikari ya Kiambu. Ni arathi na mbere gutariria thina uria marahitukira, imwe ya thina ucio iri matiramukira uteithio na makiri ma andu milioni 500 aria marutaga wira Nairobi mainukaga Kiambu nigicungiriria maheo motungata maingi. Ni ikitiritana akiuria kaunti ya Kiambu igaanio maita matatu.
We also do have a disadvantage that we are not covered with some of other sources of revenue, including not getting as much grants as has been the case. And out of the population that we are talking about, and considering that about 500,000 people who work in Nairobi actually spend the night in Kiambu, therefore demanding more services, and we made a presentation requesting that the current Kiambu County is divided into 3.
Kaunti icio igikora kaunti ya Thika, nayo ikora na icigo ta Juja, Gatundu ya Rugongo na Gatundu ya Muhuro.
The 3 counties, the first one is Thika. We are proposing Thika County to comprise of Thika, Juja, Gatundu North and Gatundu South.
Kaunti ya kere ito Kiambu ya irathiro, nayo icigo cia ikoro Kiamba, Kiambu, Githunguri na Ruiru.
The second county that we are proposing to be hived off of the current Kiambu County is Kiambu East, to comprise of Kiamba with a population of 240,000 people. Kiambu total, Kiambu, Githunguri, Ruiru constituency, which has 371,000 people.
Kirekereria kaunti ya Muthia eto Kiambu Githunguri ni icigo cia Kikoro, Kikuyu, Limuru, Lari na Kabete.
The third one is to be called Kiambu West, comprising of Kikuyu constituency, Limuru, Lari, and Kabete.
Mwa atongoria acio ni uritie ambunge macuku mendereti iyo ya kugayania kaunti ya Kiambu niguo mahote guteithia aikari ya Kiambu na mahote kwamukira motungata uria kwagirire.
Members of parliament that are elected, kindly, Wanjiko is watching you, the voter is watching you. You know this is good for the people of Kiambu. If you feel that you're going to fight it, you'll be wrong, you'll be doing injustice to the people of Kiambu. Carry it, push it on. We are going to back you up. We are leading. We have started. Follow us.
Giri fuatira Mutingi TV, mbitagwo mwende wa mbere.
Haya, dikana Riendekithia wa kunyore kukona ate ushiniria wari governor wa kaunti ya Kiambu ndagitari James Nyoro akiuga ati kaunti ino niyagio no ukoro ikiahukanio maita matatu. Haya, katuthi na mbere na neti no kwiro awici